Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We are at Busch Gardens 2024. They just opened a brand new roller coaster this year. It's Pheonix Rising. It's right behind us. This is the tallest family inverted coaster of its type. So we've been on a similar one it's at Dollywood. What is it, the Dragonflyer?
Dragonflyer,
and that's a really nice one of this type. Usually they're super slow. The Dragonflyer is great. So we'll see how this one compares to that. We'll bring you along board, point of view for the ride. Stick with this afterwards, let you know what we think of that and how it compares to other roller coasters. Got a little bit of rain. Hopefully we won't have any trouble recording. All right, in we go. We're gonna use our quick cue. Okay, so they got a little pink and purple and what color is this? Maroon? Theming, and it looks like we got an LED screen up ahead, so we'll see what it looks like. Terra is the youngest of the Pheonixes, is known for her spirit of adventure and ability to speak with the animals. And there she flies, right there. I'll go in, so we'll look at the screen and see if we see any new graphics. We went all out with these LED screens. Hop in, everybody. Hop on in, Becky. Oh boy. It's really snug. It's like built for kids. It's right on my old wallet. It'll be a short ride though. Thank you. Okay. The Pheonix, also known as Terra, which I think is our planet's name also, but I could be wrong. And yeah, we'll see how it is. It's supposed to be the world's largest of its type. How do I look? Do I look nice?
I see speakers.
Oh, we've got speakers. We're gonna have a sound effect in the ride. Okay. All right. Well, hey, she's brand new. She's brand new. It's been open like 2 weeks or less.
Not even.
What is this? The 27th?
No, it hasn't even been open a week.
I mean the dates, like the 27th again. When did it open?
This past Sunday.
Past Sunday, so it's not even been open a week.
21st.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so 6 days. She's been open for 6 days. And here we go. Oh, there she is over to the right there, the Pheonix. And we're heading for the launch. Here we go, everybody. Oh boy. Oh boy. Can't really see much in this seat. We'll see what happens. Oh, I think we actually go sideways. I don't know. We'll see how it is. Okay, hang on, everybody. Oh! Woo! What? She flies! Oh! Woo! I got my arms out like the wings, and I feel like I'm flying. Woo! Wow, it's got some speed. Oh, not bad.
Oh my goodness.
Not bad, Becky.
Wow.
For a family coaster, it's great. I mean, can you imagine this for a first ride as a kid, though? I mean, this would be a good one. Yeah, so, okay, I think we got a lot to say here. There's the Pheonix over there, and the LED. Red. She turned bright red. Those graphics are great, and we'll see you outside. Just a sec. All right, Pheonix. She flew. I mean, I really had a great ride.
I did too.
What'd you think of the coaster?
That was a great ride. There were like some near misses, like felt like you were gonna nearly fall out. But yeah, great coaster.
I had my arms out to the side like I was flying. I just had a great time. I was laughing, and you can stick your feet forward on this one. Usually these types have the big warning labels on the front. It's like, don't stick your legs out, you can break your legs or whatever. So I didn't feel unsafe on this one at all.
No.
for a family coaster, I mean, as far as like a kid goes, if this is a first ride for a roller coaster for a kid, I mean, they're just gonna love roller coasters because it's really smooth. It's got a little bit of height to it, but not crazy. And those overbank turns are really nice. You get a good pacing and some good speed there. So you can tell it's a new coaster. The LED screens for the launch. The one knock I'll give it is the queue area. It's kind of a little congested. And with the single train load and the fast queue line like they have, it takes some time. There was a little bit of an argument. You know, it's really hot out here and everything else, like some, I don't know, they look like high school age kids to me.
I think it was something about line jumping.
But anyway, the people were in a little bit of a tiff in the line. But I think that's because everybody's like right on top of each other in that really square queue. So there's not a lot of room out here. I don't know what they could do, but maybe just kind of stretch that queue out a little bit. It might be a little bit better. But all in all, we didn't have to wait long because we had a quick queue pass there, and they didn't take it. So I guess we got another one for today. So that was weird, but okay. Well, thank you for that. And we had a great ride on this one.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us for this one. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon on the next roller coaster. Bye, everybody.